Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesara Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly, mid-month love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This reading is going to be for the Leo for the third week of the August. So before starting the reading, those who are interested in personal readings, you guys can contact me through my email ID which is already there in the description. So Leo, in this reading, I'm going to take a look at your past situation, present situation, future situation. I'm going to clarify some of the cards for you and end up the reading pulling some final advice for you, Leo. Okay, in the recent past, we have the Sun, Ace of Cups, Seven of Pentacles. In the present, we have Six of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune. In the near future, we have Nine of Wands, Eight of Cups, Seven of Wands. The challenge for the week is the Ten of Swords. So Leo, and what I'm getting a message here, there was a beautiful relationship in the past, or there is some of you, there is still there, it is still there, okay? Someone in the present situation is trying to change it. There is the opportunity, whatever it's coming your way, it's a changing the dynamic of the relationship present. You're feeling it in the present situation. You're feeling all those situations are happening in this connection. Something is changing here. Something is coming down. You guys are experiencing in the present situation, okay, in the relationship. The challenge is to end this tough cycle. You have all these situations, all these confusions, all these painful situations in your head. The challenge is you have to end those things here. Okay, I'm going to clarify the challenge in a moment. In the recent past, there is the Sun, there is the Ace of Cups, there is the Seven of Pentacles. There was a beautiful relationship in the past, okay? Could be a fresh, could be a new one. That person, that relationship was bringing you the happiness, it was bringing you the warmth that you wanted. You guys were so invested in that relationship, okay? In order to bring those happiness, some of you invested a lot. Some of you gave up everything in order to be happy with that person. In the present, there is Six of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles, there is the Wheel of Fortune. I feel like there is something, a negative energy, negative influence from others is affecting in your relationship. Though you are together with your partner, you're financially being happy in a career, but still there is some energy which is affecting in the present. In the near future, there is a Nine of Wands, the Eight of Cups, there is Seven of Wands. Someone is moving away from the relationship in the near future. Could be your person or could be you deciding to just let go, give up with the situation, give up with the person in the near future. What's happening for you, Leo? I'm going to first clarify the challenge for the week, the Ten of Swords. Many of you are ending a tough cycle that you don't see coming, right? That's the challenge. You have to end this tough cycle, Leo. The challenge, the Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords is clarified by the Five of Cups, the Hierophant, the King of Swords. You could be dealing with the air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, could be Taurus, could be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. You are ending a marriage here, ending a situation, ending, there's a divorce happening for many of you in the present, or ending something, something with whom you had totally committed relationship with, because this person is being cold these days towards you. This person is not acting up the way they were before. Though the situation was very happy, though you guys are very sad to let go this person, but in order to end this tough situation, very painful situation, I think this is the only option, is to cut off something here. That's the challenge. You have to end this by cutting off something which is not serving you. Okay, that's the only reason. Maybe many of you have to end a marriage here, end a commitment here. In the recent past, there's the Sun, there's the Ace of Pentacles, there's Seven of Pentacles. I'm going to clarify the Ace of Cups in the near past. There was a very good emotional connection with you and the other person where you invested a lot. Ace of Cups is clarified by the Ten of Wands, the Four of Cups, the Three of Cups. What I'm getting a message here is you are the one who was investing a lot. You are taking the risk. You are taking the responsibilities. But when you go towards that person, approach towards the person, you were so tired, you worked out, you went out and worked very hard. When you come back to that person acts up like You are one going out. I do want to. Why are you not giving me to go out? Or like so bored when you approach them. Okay, when you approach them, they act up like they acted up. Sometimes they acted up very bored. Sometimes they acted up very moody. Though the situation was bringing you a lot of happiness, because you are the one, Leo, investing a lot in that relationship because you wanted it to be alive, because you are feeling so happy with that person, while the other person was like, I'm not interested, I don't want to invest anything here, let Leo invest a lot, I just enjoy, I'll just have fun. That person was kind of that behavior in the past. In the present, there's a Six of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles, there's a Wheel of Fortune. I'm going to clarify the Wheel of Fortune in the present situation for many of you. There is an opportunity, there's a life-changing opportunity coming your way in the present situation. The Wheel of Fortune is clarified by the Two of Cups, the Temperance, the King of Pentacles. There's an offer coming your way, Leo. Could be a soulmate connection. Finally, you are getting the soulmate connection with whom you can marry, with whom you can have commitment with. Finally, the one who understands you. You guys are being so patient with this, okay? With the King of Pentacles, something strong, something very stable, okay? Could be a Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo who is very stable in their life, very settled person. You're taking this opportunity, analyzing and taking action very patiently. That's what I see here. I'm going to clarify the Ten of Cups in the present. Many of you, before that, I'm going to clarify the Six of Swords for you, Leo. Many of you are moving away from something which was not serving you. Six of Swords. Six of Swords is clarified by the Eight of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands. Finally, I see there is a communication between you and the other person. Finally, it's like you have found the one with whom you can go with. You're so excited to start up a new connection here with this person, Leo. You're so excited to come out of a single life. For those who are single, finally you're getting a soulmate connection in the present situation, okay? This person is coming like very fast, very fast. This person is approaching because they see you as someone with whom they can have a life with. They see you as someone they can dwell very well, they can blend very well with you. Many of you are coming out of a single zone, leaving something past which was boring, which was not serving you, and moving towards a commitment. I'm going to clarify the Ten of Pentacles for you, Leo. There's an abundance. Someone is offering you the family. Someone is offering you everything you wanted. The Ten of Pentacles is clarified by the Eight of Cups. There is a King of Wands. There is a Nine of Swords. Could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Whoever this person is, that person is making you to end the tough cycle, helping you to come out of a situation which was very difficult for you to detach from it. It was very painful. It was very giving you anxiety, stressful situation. You're actually, when this person comes in front of you, you'll actually forget everything. You'll come out of it. You are getting the happiness you wanted here, Leo. In the near future, there's a Nine of Wands, the Eight of Cups, there is a Seven of Wands. I'm going to clarify the Eight of Cups for you. In the near future, someone is actually taking away. In the near future, someone is actually moving away. Eight of Cups is clarified by the Ace of Pentacles, the Three of Swords, there is a Seven of Swords. You could be dealing with the Air sign here, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, who is getting an opportunity in the near future, okay? Who is getting an opportunity. Maybe this person in the near future coming your way in order to solve the situation, in order to solve everything, disagreement happened between you and the other person, in order to heal. Because they're going through pain, they're experiencing the pain. They're here in the near future to get what they want. They're here, they see you as being happy, Leo. They see you as the one being so happy all these days. They're like, okay, I can be for some time with Leo. They're asking an opportunity in the near future to come back into your life. I'm going to clarify the Nine of Wands. This is you who already gave up with the person who is like, I don't want to, rejecting it. The Nine of Wands is clarified by the Emperor. There is a Four of Pentacles. There is a King of Cups. Though many of you love this person, though there is like emotional attachment, you're scared of it, scared of giving another chance, because you don't know what this person might do, how this person might hurt you again. You are not expressing, you are holding on all their emotions to themselves. Okay, you are not letting the other person know what you really feel about them, because the stability you expected in the past, that this person was not giving you in the past, the hopes, the final hope you are not getting from this person. You are not ready to trust this person, though you love this one, but still you are not ready to trust, because this was the person who left you away in the past. I'm going to clarify the Seven of Wands. I do feel you guys are resisting the situation in the near future, resisting the person in the near future. What is the outcome? Seven of Wands is clarified by the Four of Wands, the Eight of Pentacles. There is the Hangman. Many of you working about the situation in your head, okay, taking action, everything you are like working on towards in your head. You do want to come out of the head and come out and ask, reveal them how you really feel, but you're like, I want the stability. I'm not going to go back without this person offering me something big. I want the happiness which wasn't there. I want this person to work out towards the situation, because that's why you are resisting this person in the near future, because you want this person to work out the situation what happened in the past. You're not ready to that easily accept this person, because you're not ready to give your emotions to someone's hand who left you in the past. You're ready to accept, but you want this person to work out about what they didn't have in the past. Okay, so Leo, many of you are ending a tough cycle like this, ending a painful cycle like this. That's the challenge. The advice here for you, Leo, is what do you need to release? It's asking you, what do you need to release in order to end this tough cycle? What do you need to release in order to come to a conclusion? What do you need to release from your head? That is all I have for the Leo people. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye.